Got a box here. I haven't opened it yet. We have two brand new, never opened Supernaturals Ghostlings, still in package. I just opened it with a knife. I haven't actually opened the box yet. Here it is. Popcorn falling all over the place. First one. What's this guy's name? A scientist? Turns into a scientist, into the Invisible Man. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's pretty cool. It's on card, which is nice. And we got the second one. Second one, who's this? This is a court gesture to a silly spook. See if you can see that. That one's pretty cool. I think that one's nicer than the first one. There, you can see it now. Kind of looks like the Mad TV guy. See if we can get a better look. See the Mad TV guy? The Mad TV magazine? Looks just like him. Pretty cool on card. I had these as a kid. I just started getting them again. So we got him and we got him. We got these two. Now I also have this one with the eyeball. See that eyeball? I don't know if you can see it or not. This armor comes off. And you can see he's put that helmet down, see it a little bit better. It's pretty cool. And I have one more, the snake. The snake bite here. You got his shield's pretty cool. He's got the helmet. Take this off. Take his chest piece off. Kind of reminds me of Robert Englund. Freddy Krueger a little bit. When I get this all set up, I'll have a video showing all my Supernaturals and all my other things. I'll make one nice long video. Alright, thanks for watching.